Hi, good morning. My name is Vivek Mota and welcome to my YouTube channel Vivi's Tech World. Today we are going to review my OnePlus Watch, this product. So you can see this is a product that we are talking about here. Okay, this is the OnePlus Watch 1. This was the first watch launched by OnePlus, and today we are going to make a review video of it. I've been using this product for 2.5 years and I'll be providing my honest reviews for it. So do watch the video till the end. In this video we'll be covering the technical aspects of the watch, the hands-on review, and the pros and cons of the watch, why I bought this watch. So let us quickly start. Hello everybody, in this video we will be reviewing my OnePlus Watch Midnight Black Edition, this piece. The dial of this watch is around 46 mm. This is IP68 certified, so it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry if you go for swimming or in case if there is rainfall outside and you are wearing the watch. Okay, let us go through the product. See, we have all the different sensors here. We have the OnePlus badging here. These are the wristbands that they have given here. Okay, here we have two buttons. You can see the OnePlus badging here. Here's another button. On the left side we have sensors. Let me show you the watch. Okay, if you click on this one, if you click, it will just show you the time, the day, calories you have burned, all the different functionalities available. If you click again on this, this will open the different functions on this. The OS in this watch is not wearOS. This is a customized wearOS. Okay, so you can see there is if you click on this watch, there is activities, workout record, quick fitness, stress, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep monitor, stress, breathing, phone, music, weather, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, flashlight, barometer, compass, TV connect. You can connect your TV with it if your watch is connected to your phone, and if you click on this camera button, the phone will automatically click a photo. Then we have navigation, we have settings, and we have find phone. Okay, so that these are the different functionalities of it. Okay, and if you click on this one, these are the different workout modes: indoor, outdoor running, fat burn. So the workout modes are, there's lots of options from it. You can also select it from here. You can also add it. It's around 110 workout modes, so that is a good thing. If you drop it down from here, this is do not disturb mode. Okay, fine. So when you're sleeping, if you click on this one, it is do not disturb. This is like automatic medium brightness. I've selected auto brightness. Okay, you can find your device from here. There's no device not connected. This is an alarm clock. This is torch. Okay, and this is the settings. You can connect your Bluetooth headset with this, and it has an inbuilt 4 GB RAM, so you can store songs in this. You can store music in it. You don't need to carry your phone here. This is display and brightness. Okay, you can always keep it always on display, or you can just raise to awake, auto brightness, screen off time. Let us just put it a bit higher for this one. This is sound and vibration. You can set the ringtone of this one. You can mute it, you can vibrate it. Okay, wake up alarm is there, smart wake up alarm, motion beeper, Bluetooth disconnect. So all these settings are available here. Do not disturb for bedtime. Okay, you can also customize this one. Okay, what time you want it, you can select that one. Fine, then we have the functional key. Okay, I have just selected this functional key as a workout, but you can also change it to some other one. You can also put password in it, and if you can select your left hand or right hand for it, and you can select your language, this system, you can reboot it, you can shut down, pair new phone, reset to default, and about. This is the name, model number, MAC address, version, SN, and regulatory information. Okay, and if you click from the down, it shows the different notifications will be available here. Fine. If you click on the right side, this is heart rate monitor, this is sleep data, this you can control your music from here. Okay, and this is you can make a calls from here, and you can dial the number from here. This is alarm clock, this is quick count, and this is weather. Okay, so you can see that multi functionalities are given here. You can also change the watch face from here. If you click on this one, this is a red velvet one, this is a bumblebee one, this is gradient, fold over, practical, symmetry, texture, reticent, workout, activities. So different modes are available here. Let's just select a normal one. Let's go for a symmetry one. Shows the time, date and day. Currently the watch is not connected, that's why it's showing this one. Once it is connected, it will go on. Fine. Let me just connect the watch. Now you can see that I have connected the watch with my phone, and that's why that symbol has gone away. Okay, I'm not wearing the watch right now, that's why it's showing to wear the watch. Fine. Okay, my phone is right now not connected to internet, that's why it's showing me this one, otherwise the weather will come up here. Okay, fine. These are the notifications. Here you can just once you do exercise and all that, steps count, workout, activity, everything, energy use, all will come up here. Okay, so there are different modes here for workout. Okay, this is your workout record, how it will look. See, I had completed the workout and showing me the distance I have traveled, the duration, the average heart rate, energy use, steps, average pace, average cadence, and what was my breakdown of it. So all that workout will come up here. Okay. Fine. Workout records. Then this is quick fitness test. You can take it from your end. Your heartbeat, your blood oxygen. You can just connect it as SpO2. You can connect it to your you can wear the watch and take a test. This is sleep monitor. Okay, this is stress monitor, this is breathing. You can make a call from here. Okay, you can add your frequent contacts in mobile health app, that is OnePlus Health app, and connect it to this watch and it will automatically come up here. Fine. This is music, you can add music here. Okay, you can add music using your app. This is weather, this is alarm, this is stopwatch, timer, flashlight, barometer. Then we have compass. You just need to rotate in this direction so that it works perfectly. You can connect your TV with it, and you can control your TV using this watch. And in case if you sleep, the watch will automatically find out and they will automatically off the TV. Fine. We have navigations, so if you start navigation on your phone, all the directions and symbols will come up here, which is a good thing. This supports GPS. We have a Bluetooth settings here. Okay, and you can find your phone. If I click on this, my phone will ring. Okay, so this is the functions of the watch. You can see that this is 1.39 inches of display that given. So the display is AMOLED and the size is 1.39 inch. So what I really liked about this watch was that you can make calls from the watch, receive the call, you can cut the phone, and you can make a call from here. You can dial the number. Okay, the speaker available here, so it is a good thing. You can store music, you can keep the phone at home and go with the watch and connect your Bluetooth headphone and hear music. 4 GB Z, which is a good thing. Okay, so this is the charger that they have given here. You can see that it has the OnePlus badging here. This is a connector and the cable is long enough. Okay, so you just need to put your watch on this and it's connected. Okay, so this is how the charge. You can use a OnePlus charger for it. So it supports rapid charge. So once you connect this to a OnePlus charger, it charges very quickly. For few minutes of charging, the watch will automatically get fully charged. Okay. This watch has all the necessary sensors, okay, like heartbeat, SpO2, so that is a good thing. So this watch can be connected to OnePlus TV. Okay, they're just trying to create a OnePlus ecosystem where you have OnePlus pad, OnePlus phone, OnePlus TV, OnePlus watch. Okay, just following the footsteps of Apple. So company claims around 14 days of battery life. I agree with it. I have to charge it once in 14 days, 10 to 14 days, so it's a good thing. Also, it depends on battery life, depends on your usage. So currently the rating of this product on Amazon is 4.4 star, okay, with around 5969 ratings, so which is a good thing. Plus as this watch is IP68 certified, it is, so this also supports 5 ATM. Basically 5 ATM is an international standard rating for water resistance watches. Okay, basically it means this watch can survive 50 meters of depth in water for 10 minutes, so that is a good thing. Pros and cons of the device: the quality and fitting of the watch is good. Okay, I really like the quality of the product. They have used good qualities of plastic. It looks rich, it's very comfortable to wear. If you wear for the whole day, you won't have much discomfort on your wrist. Sensors work fine, notifications are quick. You can also customize your notification using the OnePlus Health app. Battery life is good, charging is faster. Okay, connectivity phone is instant. So if you are connected, if you're at home and if you connect your Bluetooth, the watch will automatically get connected, so that is a good thing. OS is good. I didn't wanted to go for a wearOS because wearOS is from Google. It's basically made especially for the watches, but the biggest issue of the wearOS is that it drains lots of battery. One of my colleague has a wearOS watch and he has to charge it 1 or 2 days, where I have to charge it like twice or once in 2 weeks or something like that. Okay, so I didn't want to go for a wearOS. This is a customized wearOS. We can make calls directly from the watch. Okay, so that is an added advantage. You can hear music from it. It has inbuilt storage. It can store contacts. It provides health warning. Okay, sometimes when you are stressed out and when your heartbeat is going up and when you are in a stressful environment or something like that, this watch will automatically tell you that your heartbeat is going up, you need to relax, you need to consult a doctor. I have seen such notifications. I was in such situations, so that is a very good thing. It supports GPS tracking, so if you go for a walk, if you go for cycling, in the OnePlus app it shows where you were there on the map, how was your track of your cycling or walking, which is a really good thing. When you're sitting somewhere and you're sitting for so much time, it gives you a reminder to just take a walk or take a stroll, take a walk and just get up from your chair. Okay, so you don't be ideal at one place for so much time. Now talking about the cons. Okay, so OnePlus app, that is OnePlus Health app, okay, it needs bit of improvement. I've been using this watch for 2.5 years. I don't see major updates coming from OnePlus in the app. Okay, while Samsung and Apple, they keep on innovating with their app and notification, all that. So OnePlus Health app needs some regular updates and some customized notifications and all that. Okay, so basically when you are at a remote location or when you're at village or something like that, when you're cycling, when you're walking, GPS tracking, there's issues with GPS tracking. So when you're walking or when you're cycling, okay, maybe for half a kilometer your activity won't be recorded. It will be recorded in your watch, but it won't come in the app. So I've seen when I was cycling for half a kilometer, the watch won't get connected to the GPS tracking. It's like a slow GPS tracking, and half kilometer of my cycling won't come up. Okay, but it will show in the watch. So that is a issue with the GPS tracking. When there is less signal or when you're at remote location, there is issue with the GPS tracking that needs to be sorted out. Okay, so you can see other companies are providing different types of wristbands with the watch. Third-party wristbands are available for watches, but for OnePlus it's not available. So you have to bear with the same wristwatch bands and you cannot buy another one, otherwise you can keep changing it. And the watch faces are very limited. Okay, I've been using this for 2.5 years. I don't think much watch faces are coming up for these watches. Okay, so they need few improvements with their watches. Why I bought this watch? The main question. I have a OnePlus phone, I have a OnePlus TV, and I wanted to go for a OnePlus watch. I felt like it would be a better a OnePlus watch would be a better option for me in the long run, and it would be better for me, and I also liked OnePlus products, so I have a soft corner for OnePlus products. So I wanted a OnePlus watch. Plus, this watch at 14,000 was providing me uh, the features I wanted in a watch. All the features that I wanted in a watch was available. Okay, and I didn't wanted to go for a Samsung watch, which was costing me 22,000, and my budget was around less than 15,000. So that is the reason I went for this watch from my end. Okay, I felt this wasn't like an all-rounder watch with all the must-have features. That is the reason I went for this watch. Okay, also, you can customize your notifications from your OnePlus app and all that. Okay, charging is faster. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Do like the video from your end, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe it and keep supporting us. Do leave a comment how you felt about the video, and if you felt the video was useful, do share it with your friends and family members. We will be meeting in our next video with another hands-on product review of another product that I have used. This is not a sponsored video from anybody. This is my honest feedback, and I bought this product with my own money and I've been using it. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.